Today I am going to continue your chapter 3rd. In this chapter, you will know about equality. Liberty, equality, and fraternity was the term given to the entire world by the French. In our constitution, when we attained our independence from the hand of the British rule and prepared our constitution has granted right to equality under Article 14 to 18 in Part 3rd of our Constitution. With this, it has also given special provisions like the backward community of society needs to be given reservation through Article 16.4 so that they can enjoy the right to equality. For example, if everybody has been given equal right to compete in exams, then it can happen when all sections of community share the fruits of education. But backward community in India's past were not given equal rights. So, post-independence India came out with reservation to bring them on an equal platform. Then here a question is, why do we need equality? We need equality so that we can get equal treatment in society. When we are treated equally, an individual earns what? Respect and dignity. He feels he is having equal worth in society despite race, caste, color, status, or nationality. A person gets equal rights and liberty, and by making use of this, he is able to develop his full personality. In 18th century, French Revolution talked about liberty, equality, and fraternity to revolt against the landed aristocracy and monarchy. Demand for equality was also raised during our independence moment when we demanded equal treatment for Indians with British Remember Rowlatt Act, where Indians will be tried by English judges only. This was so unequal. Even now, we see so much of inequality in our everyday life. There is so much of poverty, slums coexist with huge buildings. Women don't have equal rights like access to education, health, facilities, etc. In remote areas of India, Dalits are still discriminated on the basis of caste. There is no equal provision of drinking water, food, and sanitation facilities. So, equality is an important principle for the society to function, and since there is all inequality around us, so equality becomes an important topic in political theory. How can we achieve an equal world? The question arises is what kind of equality are we looking for? Are we looking for equal income and status? That means, do we want everybody to earn equal income? But then, if everybody will earn less and some income, countries' growth will get show, and if everybody earns more and equal income, then the lazy people will be paid equal to what hard working people. So what kind of equality we are looking for? These questions will be answered in this chapter.